Right, so quick video for my mate Rick. Rick always prepared. So he'd said about making a stove for less than a tenner and see what I could make. Well, essentially this has cost near enough nothing, but the stuff you could probably buy for around a tenner depending on where you went. The only thing what would cost you more, or the most, there's a meth stove in here, but you could make your own meth stove, like a penny stove, out of tin cans. But I've got one which I'd already bought for about £6. But this should roughly, you know, if you go to the right places, you know, cheap places, pound shops, stuff like that, you should be able to get, or charity shops and that, make this for about £10 or less. So it's an old tea bag pot thing, and I've drilled the holes around it. I've tried to do this one so it's got as many uses as possible, or many different ways that you can put fuel in it. So we've got 2 nails, a little bit of mesh which is slightly flexible so you can bend it, this part, and the meth stove, which could be a homemade penny stove. I've done it like this, so with this part, if you wanted to, you could just put sticks in there. So if you ended up with no other fuel or no other, you know, methods of heating stuff up, you could just use this like a buddy burner. Nah, a hobo stove, sorry. Just put your sticks in and light them. Or there's holes in here, sometimes it's hard to find them, which are placed like that. The only thing I need to do really is I need to smoothen off some of these edges on the inside. Put these nails in, and then your meth stove will sit up there and you'll be able to use it with the little grill like that. Put your cup on there. Or another alternative is, if you've got solid fuel blocks, homemade ones or hexamine, you use this one, place that in there on top of the things, put your fuel blocks on there, and then use it like that. The hexamine goes in there, light it, you can put your grill back on. You could do this again with 2 more nails if you wanted to. I wanted the grill so that if you was using it as an hobo stove, you could put stuff on here, whatever, you know, all sorts of different methods you could do. And where the nails are, you could also use that in conjunction with a cardboard candle, a buddy burner that way on there. So that would be at least 1, 2, 3 different types of fuel you could use in it. Relatively light, relatively small, and all fits inside. You have to just give this slight little bend to get it in, or to get it right in. And there's even plenty of space in there for you to put fuel tablets, maybe a bottle of alcohol, maybe even sticks and tinder in there.